Are you mad because I'm not feeding you enough fast enough? Oh, that's very good applesauce. You want more? You having a good supper? You had spaghetti and avocado and chicken. Is that very delicious? Mommy loves you. You looking right at the camera? Hi. More applesauce, please. Your cheeks are very rosy tonight. Oh, you leave that little bowl alone. It's a glass bowl. Give me that camera strap. Oh, pull. Oh, good boy. Here it comes. Mmm. Good baby. Yummy. You're doing great with your finger food. But you sure like to have the food shoveled in. Say I'm a typical guy, right? If someone's going to do it for you, why do it? I don't blame you. Yummy. You looking for Dean? Let's see. Oh, yep. We have avocado, spaghetti, bread, and some little bitty pieces of... Oh, I know. You're very mad. Only a little bit left. You gonna freak out? Don't freak out, man. Is it all gone? One more. I think you're gonna get very angry. Is it all gone? All gone. Hi. Oh, you're mad. Uh-oh. Don't be mad. You can have more avocado. Look. Oh, I know. You don't like to chew it now, do you? That's very sad. Look, your little hands are very mad. Oh, you're making a fist? You see, Daddy? And that makes you happy? Yeah. Oh, boy. What is that? Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. I think you've gone crazy. So, Daddy, yeah, you're going to choke on your avocado there, mister. You want that? Daddy teasing you. Oh! Who's so kissable? Mwah! Look at those teeth. They're gorgeous. Where's Daddy? Right there. Oh! What's Daddy doing? Oh! Oh! Daddy being silly? Oh! That made you happy? Hi. Oh, he's happy, Dad. Where'd Daddy go? Where'd Daddy? Was that a snort? Who's so handsome? Where'd Daddy go? Oh, it makes you all jiggly inside. You're very kissable. Oh, Daddy loves you. Say Dada. Say Dada. Say Dada. You can do it. You said it. Oh, that's loud. Say Daddy. Dada. Can you say Mama? Can you say Mama? Say Dada, da, da, da. Oh. Say da, 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 da. Is Mr. Rogers calling to sing about his neighborhood? Say, I love you. I love you. What? Go ahead. Yeah. Love you. Say, Mr. Burke. Hold on. Wait. All right. Love you. Bye-bye.